Model, 2006 Toyota Hiace 280 D4D rear-wheel drive Gs SWB 88 bhp long MOT export. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 197739. MOT, the 22nd of October 2025. Engine, 2494 cc 2.5 TD, 88 bhp. Transmission, 5-speed manual, RWD. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well through all gears. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, wind-up windows. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.